I need to have a complete, detailed outline to follow. And if I don't have that, I can't start writing anything. But I don't know what's going to happen, so I can't create a full outline. It is a misconception that you need that type of a map. All you need to start your book, start your short story, your memoir, whatever it is you're interested in doing, is an idea of what you might want to say at first. And then sit down and just write that. There's an amazing thing that happens when we write down even just one sentence. That one sentence begins to suggest other things to us as we're writing. I remember once I had nothing on my mind to write about, so I just jotted down a stupid sentence, and it was, West Coast egg rolls are not real egg rolls, which, by the way, is true. Leave me a comment and I will tell you all about why that's true. But I just kind of wrote that. But here's what happened. In writing that very simple sentence, my head started turning to, when was the last time I had an egg roll? Who was I with? Where was I? How come I don't speak to that person as much now? All of these things began to branch out. I didn't need an outline for what turned into at least two full, rather emotional paragraphs. You don't need an outline to start. All you need is an idea of what you want to say at first, the first sentence, and then let it flow. See where it goes. You may decide to use all of it because you're getting into something that's interesting to you. You may decide to use none of it, but the next day, one part of what you wrote may suggest itself as, I think this is my story. So trust the alchemy of writing. You don't need a roadmap for that any more than you need a roadmap to just simply back out of your driveway. Leave your emotional home and go write. See what comes to you.
Take the next step in your writing journey. Get the right formula and start bringing your book to life.